Thangs.com and printables.com are two popular file-sharing sites for 3D printing that have recently announced the launch of paid membership programs to give financial support to designers. Both services will allow designers to offer several paid tiers, subscription-only models and a range of exclusive member-only perks. Designers can pick and choose exactly what they want to offer on either site. They can also continue to offer free models. Thangs.com's service can also provide protection from intellectual property theft. Thangs' 3D search algorithm can monitor the web and alert designers if their models are being re-uploaded to other platforms. Both companies agree that discoverability is a major hurdle for 3D designers who may need to post constantly to social media to get their art in front of fans. Printables and Thangs plan to make that conversion easy, as supporters are already on the sites looking for great STL files to print.